Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This video is about pot decorating or pot painting with the help of acrylic colors. So first of all, to paint the pot, first soak it in water for a night, then dry before coloring. This will give better results. Then we should always apply white color as primer. Then you can draw any design of your choice. Here I have shown simple steps to decorate, and I think this is quite easy to do. So this is our final result. The next pot painting is even more simple and easier. It will take very less time to paint. First I am doing white acrylic color all over the pot so that whatever color we are going to use next will look good. I have just drawn parallel lines all over the pot. I have colored it in blue and pink combination. You can also try white and blue combination or either dark blue and light blue. I think that will look good, and you can also color every strip with different color. That will also look fabulous. So this is how it will look after coloring, and then I have done black outline. That will give a different look. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.